Hello, good afternoon. This is David Soto talking to you, and today is my free daily signal for Tuesday, November 20th, 2018. And I just posted a signal for pound Singapore dollar, GBPSGD, which you see here. If you look at my Telegram signal group, you see that I posted it down here on the bottom. Okay. And I posted so far today a total of 9 signals I have posted today. And I have a bunch more in the works as well, since now is getting ready to start the New York session. So be prepared, stay tuned to my signal group because I have a lot more signals in the works. And if we look at the chart here, okay, we see that we definitely have a bearish harmonic pattern, but you need to note that there's only a single circle super dot right here. All right, this means that is a weak signal to sell. All right. And it could be a buy or sell either way. But we'll also notice that it had hit this level 1, 2, 3 times and never broke through. All right. The last double circle super dot was right here with a bullish harmonic pattern. So the overall trend is in fact bullish. It just hasn't, it's been in this range right here and it's getting ready to break out. It has not broken out yet, but eventually it's going to go up higher. And then somewhere along the line, it's going to form a red double circle super dot at some point, okay? If we look at the higher time frames like the 4-hour, we see a bullish harmonic pattern with a green double circle super dot. And this means that it's definitely getting ready to go into an uptrend, okay? And I predict that it's going to go back up to this H4 resistance, maybe even the daily resistance, okay? I don't know. If we look at the daily chart, you see almost the same thing. All right. You see there's a bullish harmonic pattern, but no super dot. But finally had a super dot here, so it means it's getting ready to go back up again. How far up it will go, nobody knows. But it is definitely going into an uptrend, okay? That's one thing to note. Even if we look at the weekly chart, we can see that it had come down, back up, and then down again to this support area, and it's bouncing back up again, okay? So if we go back to the 1-hour chart and just look at this, what I would do, there's actually three ways you could trade this. Number one, you can just place a buy trade and just wait, okay? Wait it out and see what happens. But what I would do is place a buy limit pending order. And if we go here and to place an order, I would go here to pending order and choose buy limit, okay, which is already chosen for me. And then go here for the pending order price. I would put a little bit above this daily support line down here on the bottom. I would put 1.7600 even. That would be fine. And then for take profit, I'm going to put 1.76500. That'll give me a quick 500 pips. And if we look at the chart here, we have our buy limit with this green dotted line right here, and then our TP or take profit up here, which is really great. All right, and then what you can also do is place a buy stop pending order above this resistance, so when it breaks out, it'll trip the pending order and go up again. So what I would do is I hit new order, and then come here, okay, and choose, you go to pending order, choose buy stop right here. All right, and then for the pending order, put 1.77, we'll do 200, and then take profit will be 1.77700, right? That should give me 500 pips total. If I place this, then we look here, here's my buy limit, or buy stop rather, and then here is the take profit, okay, for 500 pips, as you see. All right, so those are your three ways that I would trade this signal, or you could possibly trade it. These are the two best methods. Pretty much I always use pending orders, okay? I don't really like to just place a trade and be done. But This is, let me know if you have any questions. This is really easy. This is not rocket science. You just have to kind of look at all the different time frames and get an idea of the overall big picture of which way the price is probably going to go. Okay. Once you have established the bigger trend, then you know that this is the way I need to go. In this case, we need to be trading up, so we need to be only placing buy trades, even though it's showing a bearish harmonic pattern right now. In the next few hours, I would say the next 10 to 12 hours, approximately, you're going to see a breakout. All right, this is probably going to come down and hover in here for the next 8 hours or so, and then it just break out eventually. Okay. It's been hovering in this area for last week or so, but eventually it's going to break out. So if you have any questions about how to trade this or any of my signals, please feel free to contact me. My private link to my Facebook account is below in the description of this video. Just send me a message and I'll be happy to help you. Also, if you have not joined my Facebook group, there's a link for that also, and you can join my Facebook group. And if you have not joined my Telegram Signal group, there is a link for that as well. So you can join my Telegram Signal group. I post around between 10 and 15 signals a day. I try to post as many as possible, depending on the market conditions and whatever. So this is my signal. So I hope you enjoy, and let me know if any questions. And I feel I'm more than happy to help you. Okay. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye.